Hey everyone, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video, I will guide you on how to use GeoGebra and explore its main features. GeoGebra is a free and interactive math tool that helps us visualize geometry, algebra, graphs, and more. Let's get started! So first, open your browser and type www.geogebra, or you may also use the GeoGebra app. So once open, you will see different options like graphing, 3D calculator, geometry, CAS or CAS, probability, and scientific. So let's first familiarize ourselves with the GeoGebra workspace. On the center, this is the graphics view, where objects appear. On the left, we have the algebra view, showing equations and values. On the top, you will see the toolbar, which contains different tools. And at the bottom, this is the input bar, where we type commands or equations. So first, let's familiarize the toolbar features. This is the Move tool. It allows us to select, move, or adjust objects on the screen. Next is the Point. Click anywhere on the graphics view to create a point. Points are usually named as A, B, C, D, and more. Then, let's proceed to Line tool. Line tool. Yeah. So, this is the line tool. Select 2 points and GeoGebra will automatically draw a straight line connecting them, like this. Then, segment tool. It creates a line segment with a definite length between 2 points. Click segment and just like this. Yeah. Then, circle tool. Click the center point first, then click another point to set the radius, just like this. Here. Now, let's proceed to input bar and algebra features. For example, I will type y is equal to 2x plus 1. GeoGebra automatically graphs the equations. Notice that the equation also appears in the algebra view. Then, let's proceed to 3D calculator. These features allows us to visualize 3D shapes and surfaces. For example, I will type x squared plus y squared equals 9. And a 3D shape appears. This. Then next is the CAS or the what we call computer algebra system. So this is useful for symbolic computation like factoring, expanding, and solving equation. For example, I type factor x squared minus 9. And GeoGebra gives the answer instantly, just like this. Then, if we want to save our work, click menu or this, then save, or you can choose if you export image, download as, save online, and all. So, to summarize, GeoGebra is a powerful tool for learning and teaching mathematics. It helps us visualize concepts, explore graphs, and understand math better. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you. Bye!